slash we. Today we're gonna be opening, but I'm gonna be right back. Whoever likes Fortnite, drop a comment down below. Because today, and also you get 21 stuff, and you get some stuff from Fortnite, and you get this thing. And let's start with the first thing my dad picks. Dad, what should we do first?
Let's do the Jonesy.
Okay, so first let's open this carefully. Brian, can you move? So and now this might take a while.
Go.
Hi guys, I got it back here. Open this, got it. Open this part. Okay, and my dad said he wanted to open this guy. Oh. Well, there's one problem, but I don't care. I think we can still open it, maybe. And it says their names on the box. Okay, now we can get it out. I think, if I can grab it, guys. Hey, how dare you, string? Get back there. Guys, can you please pause it real quick?
Okay.
Go. Okay, guys. I think I got it out a little bit. I just saw this right now, but my dad really wants to do this one, so the iconic. This might actually take a while. I just said already, but hey, wait. I think I got it, guys. Hold up. Stop. Oh no, this tape. But I'm a strong boy. And oh no, there's something else. I'm strong. Guys, I never thought this would be very hard. So I guess Dad, take that's way easier. Hold up. Okay, now we can open Jonesy. Okay, guys, and guess what? You get stuff with this. So you get a sticker star wrap for Jonesy, and for Jonesy, if you don't know him, he's from Fortnite. Right there. You can maybe get the scan. I'm gonna try to help you get the scan, and it also says right here. Okay. So try to just pause it and scan that, and make sure pause it and scan this side, and make sure if you want this, comment down below yes, and then you can ask your dad or mom to do this if they're experts like me, because I play Fortnite almost every day. Okay, Dad, which one should we open next?
You pick.
Let's do the DJ Llama. And then it's your turn, okay, Dad? Holy smokes, guys. Finally. Oh, wait. I'm crazy. Wait. I forgot we gotta take Jonesy out. Guys, he's so good at Fortnite. He's actually the very first person to be in Fortnite. I'm starting to get him out. Oh, he actually can move. Okay, now I know. I got his pickaxe, guys. See, barely got his pickaxe. I got his pickaxe. Now I just gotta get him out. Yes, I got him out. Hold up, guys. Gotta make him hold it. You can, baby. Yeah, you can. Guys, I'm sorry my dad paused it. I know there was a lot of pausing moments, but it's okay. Maybe. I don't know. If you're okay with it, thanks. And done. Look. I know. Sorry guys, but like, it's so hard. Okay, I finally did it. Look at him. After this, I'm gonna play with my dad, who's actually making this video. Shout out to him. He has his own channel, and he has his own work. I know Curving Bros. He's the boss. So, I'm his son. I hope you have lots of fun. Let me just. And hold up if your dad's late. Here's this again. I'm gonna do this after I'm done. Oh, wait. Okay, let's do this guy. Because this guy, DJ Llama. Wait. I need to know the names. So, this is DJ Llama. Right? Wait. There's 3 names for him. Guys, there's 3 names for him. DJ Donner, DJ Llama, DJ Llama. It sounds weird, but there's 2 L's for llama, and then spell llama the normal way, kind of. Oh, I'm doing it. This is going great. Okay. I'm gonna go back and see who was these. But guess what? I hate to say it, but did you actually probably didn't know this, guys, but these, I'm never gonna run out. Like, I want everybody on my YouTube channel, because I only have 16 subscribers, and I want everyone to subscribe if you want this guy. And there's nothing for the back, actually. See? Nothing. So, let's do it. Put this where it is. Yep, right next to Jonesy. So, guys, we're running out of YouTube channel time. So, if you love to, we will have a part 2, I swear. Part 2 is going to be today also, so you better be happy, because I spent a lot of videos kind of making these, but the shorts I do not, because these are called shorts. The most longest time of the short is, actually, a short can be as long as you want, but it has to be max. I don't know, guys. Comment down below. My brain's not working today. I'm sorry. But, if we open this on part 2 or no, because I see it lots of likes. I think people will like it, but it looks ugly. The face looks ugly. That's the only part of it that's ugly. Okay, that's scary. Wait, that was Jonesy too? No, that's great. Jonesy, you gotta stand up, bro. Bro, can you stand up, please? Okay, guys, he's not like standing up. Yes, he stand up. Are you serious right now, bro? Bro, are you serious? Are you serious right now, bro? Jonesy, stand up, please, for the viewer. I'm sorry. He's gonna go on timeout real quick. Hi guys, welcome to. Wait, is this part 2, Dad? Okay, it's part 2, guys. I know. Okay, I did save it for part 2. Open. Yeah, some reason that always works. If you saw my last video, then you're lucky. Because you saw my dad pick Jonesy then. And yeah, I think we're gonna do because I'm too complicated. This. These. Figures because I love playing with them. So today I made part 2. It's the second day, I swear. I'm not lying. So let me just so you can grab it like this. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be grabbed, I think. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. But that's I told you on last video. I'm not gonna say everything about the last video, okay? Okay? I'm not gonna make so much video. It's gonna be so long. Okay, you know what? I'm doing the same with Jonesy. Boop boop bop bop. Yeah, that's what they get. Or not. His pickaxe. Okay, Dad. Now what would you want to pick? Which one do you want to pick? Oh, let me bring this back up.
Me, boss.
Meat boss? Got it. Meat boss. Take this out because if you saw my last video, you know what happened last video. Yeah, it did not went well for me. Don't ask why I did that. Bop. Perfect. I'm sorry. But holy smokes. But excuse me. That's too cringe. Oh, this is good. Editor, please cut that part out, please. Please still. I hope somebody put a cool edit on that. I hope. I really do, because I guess I'm not lucky. How did I even do? No, actually, but I did cut it. Dad, do not tell them what just happened. Do not. Okay. All right. Yes. You can move this torso. Okay, that's cool. Okay, guys. If you want to hear the last video, I will do it. Here, and this one. So look, and they're pretty cool, I swear. I'm going to play some Fortnite today because I'm doing part 2 in the exact same day, and part 3 and part 4 or part 5 maybe. I don't know if we have more parts, but yeah.
Okay, I gotta pause it.
Hurry, boom, we're done.